Hey guys, today I just received the JBL Clip 3. I got it in a little earlier than it should have been. I think it was supposed to come out at the end of June, but I got it in today. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of it, a sound test, and I'm gonna give you guys my review on this JBL product. Okay, so this is the box right here. It says JBL Clip 3, JBL by Harman. Bluetooth, 10 hours of battery life, compared to the Clip 2, which had about 8 hours of battery life. And this one has a bigger battery, that's why. It has a 1000 milliamp battery, and the Clip 2 has a 730 milliamp battery. So that's the only difference. We would have to test it out to see if really it lasts 10 hours in reality. So it would take a little longer to charge this Clip 3, about 3 hours to charge it full, and the Clip 2 about 2.5 hours to charge it completely. So on the side you got the clip integration picture, okay. On the back, JBL Harman clip and play, Clip 3, and the bottom it tells you once again 10 hours of battery life, and it has the IPX7 waterproof. So that hasn't changed either. And speakerphone, you can do speakerphone on both, same as that. And the back side there to listen. Alright, so let's take it out of the box. See what we got here, baby. We got here the clip. Let's see if I can take it off of this thing. There we go. So this is how the clip looks. There's your little clip here, clip it on your belt, on your bike, anywhere you want to go in the pool. You got your clip ready. Let me get it in a little closer for you guys. So you got the pause, volume up, volume down. Simple, basic JBL. Let's see on the back. It has here to stand it up. Bluetooth button, power button. What I'm seeing here, let me see here. This must be the aux cable it comes with, like the Clip 2 came with. So it gives you right here, so you can charge it, and so you can connect the aux cable. But this one specifically did not come with the aux cable. So I guess you would have to buy the aux cable separately. Because I remember the Clip 2, it would wrap around in the middle. But this one doesn't come with it. So that's the speaker. Clip 3 on that spot. Feels good on the hand. Feels nice and strong. Feels like I can throw this out the window and it'll survive. You know? Put it in the stand. If you want to know more about this product, this JBL Clip 3. I got the link in the description. Here we got the instructions. So the charger's in here. You got here the charger. I like the color that they're using, the orange. You know this stuff. This is a basic speaker. There's nothing that crazy that you have to learn. So this is the cable to charge it. It's just like the Charge 3 cable. It looks exactly the same to me. So you would go here. I like this little thing. It feels tough. It feels strong. It feels. You plug it to the USB port or any computer or anything you want to plug it into, your Xbox to charge it. Or if not, if you have the adapter that I have, the same as the Charge 3, just connect that adapter and plug it into the wall, or buy a separate adapter to do that. Which it should have came with one. In my opinion, this one should have came with an adapter instead of having to plug it into the PC. So now we got to test out the quality and see if this JBL Clip 3 sounds good. I'm really picky with sound, so I want to know how this thing sounds. Okay, let's turn on the clip. See how easy it is to connect to the Bluetooth. Ooh, vibration. Oh yeah. So it's on. Let's press the Bluetooth button. Okay, same thing as the Charge 3. That's what I like. Wow, dude, wow. This little speaker sounds pretty damn loud. I'm pretty sure my neighbors can hear the speaker from downstairs. I was not expecting this thing so small to have a good amount of bass and the loudness that it sounds. And also I just realized that it has the same battery life indicator that people wanted it to know, you know, not it's dying or it's full. They would like to know the medium when it's like 50% lower or stuff like that, but I'm guessing it's the same light as before. I think the most it could go up is 3 feet of water, but I don't got a pool, so. And it floats too, which is cool. Let's float. It's floating sideways. Now let's play some song. See if they're floating. Now it's more stable. It goes backwards. It needs to be straighter. They're giving a lot of vibration on the tub. You feel the vibration, man. Wow, that's incredible. So now I'm gonna test it in a couple inches of water. I lowered it down to see if it floats. Oh, it's supposed to up. Floating up, but it always seems that it wants to go sideways. It's going sideways again. Sideways. Now I'm gonna put it on the sink to see if it flows. Sideways once again. After all this water exposure that it got, let's see if it still works properly. So now I'm gonna test distances. So I'm gonna put it from one side of the other house and walk as far slowly to the other side of the house, which is, I would say, about 16 feet around there, to see how loud it sounds far away. So this is the other end of the house, and I can still hear it. Alright guys, you guys seen the testing, you guys heard the sound test. I hope you guys like it, like what you've seen so far. So now I'm going to tell you my review, the pros and cons that I think about this JBL. Alright, so let's talk about the pros right now. This speaker is a really good speaker. I didn't expect the amount of bass that you can get in this small little speaker. The sound quality is good. It's loud enough for outdoors, for indoors, and multiple rooms. It can take multiple rooms if your rooms are close to each other. Because I was 16 feet, around 15 feet back, and you can still hear the music pretty clear. It's a good size. It's good that it's waterproof as well, which you can bring it anywhere. It can just clip on easily, so you'd be like, clip it on your belt, and there it is. That's all you gotta do. You clip it on your belt, and then you go outside, and then they're gonna be like, dude, where's that sound coming from? Because we all cover like this. You're gonna be like, dude, I got the new JBL Clip 3, baby. Get yourself one. Because they're not gonna expect that bass coming out of that thing, baby. So, clip it in easy. To your pants, to your backpack. You can clip it into your backpack. You can bring it anywhere. As well, I've also seen people, like in cars, they put it right in the center console and they play their music, which I was like curious and wondering, why do people have a clip in their center console when doesn't their car have better speakers? But after seeing the power that this little thing has, dude, you can use this as a car speaker, Bluetooth, whatever. If you don't want to use your car radio, you can use this in your car if you want to. The sound is good enough to do it, and loud enough to fill up your car, and outside when you open the windows. Those are the pros. It has a good battery life. It was 10 hours. I still have to test it. but it should last a good amount of hours. It's nice and small, fits in your hand, good grip, good material, made out of good material, great quality. Now the cons. The cons I have with this product is the floating, the waterproof. When we put it in the water that we tested out, and you saw in the video right now, we put it in the water and it kept going sideways. So, and it turning backwards. So if the speaker is backwards, you can't hear the sound clear. It has to be floating upwards. And we did it with 1 feet of water, and then we cut it down to about, was it 2 inches or 3 inches, and then we put it in the sink. And this thing still kept turning. So I don't know if it's that this building that I live in, apartment, is sideways, or is it that there's issues with the floating on this JBL Clip 3, which I really wanted to use the floating thing. I will have to go to, let's say, another house or apartment or something and test it out to see if it does the same exact thing. But that is a concern for me. It's waterproof, great, but the floating doesn't float right. The second thing is, there was at times, it's not that big of a deal, like sound, like breaking. In the video, I think you can hear it when I was walking back. You can hear it, the sound breaking at times. It happened in the amount of time I made this video. It happened, I would say, around 3 times. The sound was breaking a little bit, and then it would fix itself. It's not that big of a deal, but I heard some sound break. The other thing is, basically, which is simple, I just wish they made this bigger. Just wish they made this bigger so you can connect it to, let's say, your bike handlebars, because it doesn't fit on your handlebars right now. You would have to use it, put it on your pants or on your backpack. I wish it would be a little wider so you can clip it on your handlebar. That's only 3 things that I would say the cons are: sound breaking, the floating not correctly, and the clip should be a little bit bigger. But everything else is good. The Bluetooth connects easy. I know some people were having Bluetooth issues with the Clip 2. They don't want to connect to the devices. This one connected really easy, like all their JBL products, like the Charge 3. Simple, basic to use. So it's a good product. I do recommend this product for anyone if you want it. It's a good product. It's worth it. Let me know what you think. Have any comments? Write it down.